What if it's possible to add prospects from LinkedIn into your CRM with just a few clicks by copy-pasting the data between platforms, switching tabs? Hello, LinkMatch extension, your best friend in lead generation. Watch this. Here's the profile of your prospect, and here's how you can easily save the contact with all the relevant information into your HubSpot. Push Add to HubSpot button and create a contact. Just like this. Hi, I'm Alex from LinkMatch, and in this video I will show you how to easily save profiles from LinkedIn into HubSpot using LinkMatch. Let's start from quick setup. Let's go to linkmatch.com, add to Chrome, choose HubSpot, add to Chrome, add extension. Now we need to sign in with HubSpot account. Let's now open LinkedIn. This is how your LinkedIn looks like when the LinkMatch extension is switched on. Here you can notice a red cross next to a prospect's name, and that's a hint actually. That means that this contact is not yet in your HubSpot. And again, adding the profile now becomes way faster and easier. Let's click on Add to HubSpot button. After clicking, we see the LinkMatch pop-up window. And here's the magic, guys. All the fields are automatically mapped to your CRM fields, which means that all the data from LinkedIn go to your CRM automatically. And actually, you can customize which exactly data you want to have in your CRM. I will leave a detailed video about how to do that somewhere here. So for now, we just create contact. And now our red cross switched to a green checkmark here, which means that the contact is successfully added to your HubSpot. Let's quickly switch to HubSpot and check. By the way, it's also super easy as we have a clickable link here, and bam, here we go. The contact is saved into HubSpot with just a few clicks. It gets even better if you're using Sales Navigator or LinkedIn Recruiter. In that case, you can save the whole list of profiles into your CRM with just one click, which I will show you in the next videos. I will also show you how LinkMatch synchronizes all the communication you have on your LinkedIn with your HubSpot, and so much more. Stay tuned, try LinkMatch today at linkmatch.com, and see you in the next videos.